Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your sheet is analysis ready. Confirm headers, consistent types, and remove blank rows. Once done, copy or import data into a dedicated sheet and convert the range to a table with Ctrl+T. Doing this makes formulas and filters reliable and lets Excel manage ranges dynamically. Make sure each column has one data type. Mixed types break aggregations. Now that your table is set, you can apply filters, sorts, and structured references to begin meaningful analysis immediately. Next, load the table into Power Query to clean and transform. Remove errors, split combined fields, and force correct data types for dates and numbers. Once imported back, build a pivot table to explore totals, counts, and categories with drag-and-drop rows and values. Add helper columns in the source for flags or calculated metrics using sumifs and averageifs to enable deeper grouping. As you iterate, refresh the pivot and query to reflect changes. This maintains consistency and speeds analysis without manual rework. Finally, visualize findings by creating charts from your pivot table or table. Use column or combo charts to compare series and align chart for trends. Add slicers and conditional formatting to let you and stakeholders filter and spot outliers instantly. Before sharing, validate numbers by sampling raw rows and reconciling totals to pivot summaries. If results look wrong, refresh the data, check column data types, and rerun Power Query steps to catch implicit type changes. A single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.